Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is mathematics class grade 7 and week 6 lesson number 3 it is. And this lesson is about changing the subject of the formula exercise 2J, and this is on page number 41. You can see this all detail in the weekly plan on Wednesday or the third day of the week study. So now changing the subject of the formula, consider the formula A is equals to B plus C, taking C from each side. Taking C from each side mean we can subtract C from each side. So when we bring this C to other side, here will be B left and C will go to other side and become subtracted, as you know this. So B is equals to A minus C. So we have changed the subject from A to C. Let me explain this on the board. A is equals to B plus C. Now the subject of the formula is A because we are solving for A. But if we change the subject to B, we will find out the value of B. So this A will go to other side. A minus C is equals to B. So B is equals to A minus C. Doesn't matter, we can write like this. If we want to change the subject of A to C, what we will do? We will find out the value of C. So this B will come here. A minus B equals C. C is equals to A minus B. Now we change the subject from A to C. This is the only method, changing the subject. Changing the subject mean you will find out the value which is given. Like question, make the letter in the brackets the subject of the formula. See, question number 1, P is equals to S plus R. And we need to change the subject as S, means we will find out the value of S. Change the subject mean we will find out the value of that variable. For this purpose, this R come to this side and become minus. You know this very clearly. It will become minus. So now you can write S is equals to P minus R. This is the change of subject. Very simple, like this only. Okay, one more question, last question number 17. X is equals to 1 over 10 n. We need to find the value of n. This 10 will multiply, is in the division here, to the other side it will multiply. 10x is equals to n and n is equals to 10x. This is the change of subject. One more, like k is equals to L plus m. We need m as a subject. We will find out the value of m. This come here to become minus. So m is equals to k minus L. K minus L. We have changed the subjects from k to m. So similar all the questions. Inshallah you can do it easily. Big exercise, but the concept is same. So we can solve this. We can discuss more questions in the class, inshallah. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.